Are you maximising the headline that you have on LinkedIn? Underneath your name on LinkedIn, there's a section of text which is typically, when produced on the desktop, is 120 characters long. And I figure it kind of helps provide a strapline for your personal brand. I call it a headline. If you haven't identified it or changed it, LinkedIn will default to the company name and the job title you have, which of course is pretty boring, especially if your name of your company doesn't say what you do on the tin. So I really encourage you to consider personalizing that headline within 120 characters. Make it nice and short and sweet. So here's what the kind of things you should include on your headline are. Firstly, I like to personalize it. How can I help you, the visitor to my profile? That's a kind of sense of encouraging you and feeling as though we've got a personality building here. And the second thing, what keywords would I like my audience to find me for and identify me with? If I've actually secured that within the headline, then I've pretty much nailed what I should have as a strapline, as a headline on LinkedIn. So if you haven't ever thought about this or bothered to identify your headline for yourself, then go and fix it right now. Try and get that story across in 120 characters as neatly and concisely as you can, and I'm sure it will do your brand a lot of favours.